How to list all functions in a module? I have a Python module installed on my system and I'd like to be able to see what functions / classes / methods are available in it. I want to call the help function on each one. In Ruby I can do something like className.methods to get a list of all the methods available on that class. Is there something similar in Python? For example, something like
You can use dir module to see all available methods / attributes. Also check out pdocs.
Use the inspect module. Also see the pdoc module, the help function in the interactive interpreter, and the pdoc command line tool which generates the documentation you are after. You can just give them the class you wish to see the documentation of. They can also generate, for instance, HTML output and write it to disk.
Once you've imported the module, you can just do to get the docs on all the functions at once, interactively. Or you can use to simply list the names of all the functions and variables defined in the module. Use inspect.getMembers to get all the variables / classes / functions etc. in a module, and pass in inspect.isFunction as the predicate to get just the functions. GetMembers returns a list of tuples, object_name, object, sorted alphabetically by name. You can replace isFunction with any of the other ISCS functions in the inspect module.